Merry Christmas, everybody. And before I start this episode, I just want to say, stick till the very end so you can see an update on everything. And leave in the comments below what you want me to open next. You'll see it later. And anyways, let's start opening this one pack of Primal Clash. Okay. Here you go. Enjoy. One, two, three. 1, 2. Rhyhorn. Tiny Animal. Torchic. Staryu. Lotad. Maxie's Hidden Ball Trick. Rhydon. Bidoof. Archie's Ace in the Hole Reverse, and Macargo Regular Rare. Not too bad. There's no pulls in this, unfortunately. Now, let's get to the update. Okay guys, so there's this Zoroark GX box right here. These Roblox figures, Series 2. Mega Constructs for Charmeleon, Ivysaur, and Wartortle. This Ash and Pikachu toy review, and Mega Mewtwo X collection box. This is PokeL signing out. Peace.